Hey everyone, so part of this week I wanted to show you a demonstration of the Earth's water and what's available for human use. So in order to do this demonstration, I have a 5-gallon bucket full of water. This 5-gallon bucket full of water it's a model for all the water on Earth. All right, I have a clear glass bowl. I have a measuring cup, and a half-cup measuring cup, an ice cube tray, and a dropper. Okay. In order to do this, the very first thing that I'm going to start with is a question. My question to you is, out of this entire 5-gallon bucket full of water, how much of this do you think is available for human use? How much do you think you can use that humans would use if this 5-gallon bucket represented all the water on Earth? I want you to talk to your neighbor about that. Take a moment. Maybe you don't have a neighbor. Talk to your imaginary friend then. I know you have an imaginary friend. Go ahead, share with them. How much? Okay, from this 5-gallon bucket full of water, represents Earth's water again, I'm going to take 2 cups out. Put them in my clear bowl. 1, 2. All right, this 2 cups of water in my bowl represent all the fresh water on Earth. This is about 3% of the Earth's water. That leaves us 97% of the Earth's water is salt water. Okay. From this two cups of water, I'm going to remove 1/2 of a cup. And I'll come back to that in a moment and explain what that is. Okay. This leaves me with 1.5 cups of fresh water. I'm going to put that into my ice cube tray. 1.5 cups of water in my ice cube tray. Okay. This 1.5 cups represents all the glaciers, the ice-capped areas, all the things that aren't readily accessible to humans that are frozen on Earth. All right. Again, out of the entire 5-gallon bucket full of water. I'm going to go back to the 1/2 cup of water that I took out earlier. This 1/2 cup of water, this represents all the surface water, the groundwater, rivers, lakes, and water vapor in our atmosphere. All right. So all this water kind of around us. From this fresh water that is left, okay, the amount that is clean and usable for humans. Now, for this one, you might have to replay this video a few times to see it. Here we go. This is what is available and clean and ready for human use. Get ready. 1 drop. That's right. 1 drop. 1 drop of water out of this entire 5-gallon bucket full of water. 1 drop represents the amount that humans are able to use. How many of you got that right?